Begin this noon with that breaking news in New Jersey.
A dump truck crashes into two state troopers in West Orange. CBS News' Hazel Sanchez on the scene in West Orange, where right now all lanes of Interstate 280 are closed. Hazel.
Yeah, Chris and Mary, as you can imagine, this is still a very active accident investigation. We're standing on the Mount Pleasant Avenue overpass overlooking Interstate 280. You can see all the flashing lights of law enforcement and emergency responders here at the scene, where amazingly no one was seriously hurt. Now, these all happened at about 10:20 this morning. State troopers were pulled over on Interstate 280 and the eastbound lanes near exit 9 responding to an accident. Two troopers were standing outside the patrol cars, apparently speaking to the people who were involved in that accident, when a dump truck came barreling down the highway, hitting the two troopers and multiple pedestrians. Now, if you take a look at a witness photo that we received, the dump truck then slammed into the back of an ambulance and burst into flames. That ambulance then got pushed into the rear of a West Orange fire truck. New Jersey State Police tell us, again, surprisingly, no one was seriously hurt. The troopers were taken to the hospital, and we are told they are expected to be okay. Now, at this hour, we do not know what caused the dump truck driver to lose control, but the driver did remain at the scene as this investigation continues. Now, as you mentioned, traffic on Interstate 280 was closed in both directions between exit 8 and exit 11, but we are noticing that they are starting to let some traffic through on the westbound lanes, but this could cause traffic to be snarled for quite some time as this investigation continues. That is the latest here live in West Orange. Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
And Hazel, we continue to follow that breaking news. The crash has caused a major backup on Interstate 280, and CBS News' Dan Rice is over the scene in Shopper 2. Dan, what can you tell us?
Well, as you can imagine, quite a bit of an emergency response was brought out here to tend to all the vehicles and the people involved. Both directions of the highway were shut down, but if you look at the bottom of your picture there, you can see traffic on the westbound side beginning to move. Two lanes are indeed open. You have delays back to the Garden State Parkway. The bigger problem is that eastbound traffic, all lanes remain shut down. You can see a collection of cars here. At least a dozen vehicles are involved. A large investigation will ensue, but because of that, there are multiple closure points on eastbound 280. The first one back here at exit 9. You see all that traffic that was still stuck behind the original accident being siphoned off the highway there, but also back at exit 7. A little bit of a review here. Exit 7 is where they have the highway shut down. 10, 24, those two roads are going to be your alternates through the area. Reporting live in Chopper 2, Dan Rice, CBS 2 News.
Dan, thank you.